Hello again, everyone. It's Vince4 from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for August 26th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see a rebound in U.S. equities today. This after Trump made comments at the G7 meeting early this morning, that China was eager to make a deal, referenced some phone calls, which later were walked back by China. But regardless, the market was optimistic. It rebounded. The Dow was higher by almost 270 points today. The S&P 500 was higher by 31 points. More importantly, remains below that trend line, but above these recent lows, which is very important. The NASDAQ was higher by almost 102 points today, and the Russell 2000 gaining 16.5 points. Now, the bond market did show some weakness, and which caused yields to go up a little, but unfortunately, yet again, the 2 and the 10-year inverted. So the 10-year yield now sits at 1.537, but the 2 years at 1.539%, and the 30-year is just above the 2% mark. It's at 2.038%. Crude oil down 40 cents today, or about 0.74%, while gold did hit a new high intraday, but pulled back and managed to only gain $1 or 0.06% by the end of the session. The US dollar having a strong day. It made back a little over 3/4 of that down move from Friday. Now, after market close, there was a verdict in that landmark opioid case in Oklahoma, and the judge did rule against Johnson & Johnson. That's the bad news. The good news is in the fine. He ordered them to pay only $572 million, where most people were expecting a fine somewhere in the $1.5 to $2 billion range. So it looks like a big win for J&J there in a way. And after market close, the stock is higher by $4.20, or about 3.29%. So it'll be interesting to see whether J&J can lift that whole sector tomorrow. There's still a lot of other states to get involved here on this lawsuit. A lot more to come, but for now, a bit of good news there for J&J. Quick reminder, please do subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below if you're enjoying these videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss any future videos. And by all means, if you are enjoying them, please tell your friends, and we'll keep putting these out there. Okay, thank you, and that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you on our next update.